The thing about Honda's culture that speaks to me is this sense that all of us at Honda are approachable and that we value relationships. We should seek to engage people and help people because we don't know what that small act of kindness will do. I have worked in everything from engine research to development operations. Today I'm the manager of engineering operations. I see myself as a mentor to a number of associates, and I have a number of mentors myself. They made time, they were good listeners, but they also challenged me to think about things differently, and so I try to reflect a lot of that with how I mentor others. Having relationships like that help us, and it helps the company. Because when you have associates that are operating closer to their potential, utilizing their passion and their energy, that helps work to be more productive, and it helps the solutions that we pursue to be more robust.
He's like a sage of wisdom. He obviously has a technical background, being an engineer, but he also has this great kind of breadth of understanding of business operations and organizational development.
He wants to see other people do better. Even if he's terribly busy, he's willing to devote his attention to you, and then he's willing to also share his advice, share his knowledge.
I'm currently the keeper of records for the Columbus, Ohio alumni chapter of Kappa Alpha Psi Fraternity Incorporated. College men join our brotherhood, and we support them through scholarships and mentoring. Membership has given me a greater appreciation of brotherhood and the different approaches that we can all take to solving the same problem. I'm the advisor and also co-chair of the Onyx African American BRG. What BRGs do for individuals, it gives them a place where they feel valued, but also learn different points of view that they can then take and apply to how they approach their work. And when I hear other people share how I've impacted them, that makes you realize that we shouldn't take for granted the interactions we have with each other. The fraternity and the BRG broaden my perspective. You then can come back to your family, to your job, and have a fresh and unique perspective on things, and encouraging each other to stay true to the commitments we made to be better leaders and better people.